Good morning, children. Been a long time. We shall will continue the class. My house, lesson number 5. The ending is, see, after constructing the roof and 4 walls, what we have to do? We have to take care of our house. How should we take care of our house? By keeping it neat and clean in and around our house. Isn't it? Means in the house we should construct the rooms whatever we as per our needs. How many rooms do we want? That many rooms we have to construct. For separate purposes, separate rooms we need, isn't it? And for that we need to put doors also, and windows also, and window doors also, window pans also we need to construct, because it should protect from the heavy wind and rain. And why should we need a door to the houses and to the compound wall gates also? Because the strangers should not enter directly into our house, or any animal also should not enter in our house. That's why we need doors and gates to our houses. One more thing I want to tell you, that around our house also we should keep neat and clean. Suppose if you are throwing the garbage around your house or near your house, how do you feel? There is every chances of getting it diseases. The mosquitoes will start breeding on that, and that's why we'll get the different types of diseases. So that's why we should not throw the garbages, means the leftover food and the other things, materials, unused, unwanted materials also we should not throw around our house. So because MCH people are there to clean it. They gave us one dustbin, there we have to go and put it. Or the dustbin people are there collecting the garbages, we have to give it to them. So these things are there. So one more, the house we live in must be kept neat and clean. A house should have doors and windows to let in sunlight and fresh air. Windows are there. So we must put the mesh also, because small insects are there that should not come inside, like mosquitoes, butterflies and other etc. Those insects. We should keep our things in proper mesh also, that thing, and then inside our house we should keep the things also in a proper places. We should sweep and mop the floor daily to keep our house dust, keep the house dust away, isn't it? So we have to broom the house, clean it, and after that with the soap and water also we have to clean the floor, so that the dust should be away. But living in a clean house keeps us free from diseases. A neat and clean house is a beautiful house. So these are the points we have covered today. After that we'll write the new words I have given you. Then we'll go for the object type also. So these are the points we have covered. A house protects us from heat, cold, rain and wind. Houses which cannot be moved from one place to another are called permanent houses. Permanent and temporary houses. So permanent house is built up of the material sand, stones and cement, iron. These are the materials, those are called permanent houses which cannot be moved from one place to another place, isn't it? So then the temporary house means like caravan, houseboats, etc. like that. Those houses can be moved from one place to another place. Those are the temporary houses. So pakka house are haunt in summer. We find houses in villages. Kacha house, which is built up of straw, sticks, leaves and all those things, and pakka houses built up of cement and all. It will be very hot in summer. In hilly areas, people build houses with sloping roofs. Why? Because the snow falls, and where there is a heavy rainfall also, people will build the sloping shape of the roofs. Houses made of ice are called igloos. Houses on wheels are called caravans. Houses made of strong clothes are called tents. So houseboats are wooden houses made on boats. So these are the points we have covered. Now we'll start writing the new words. These are the 10 new words I gave you. You have to write in your classwork book. Write the heading, lesson number 5. Lesson number 5. My house. Then write new words. First is comfortable. 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 PERMANENT. Permanent. Sloping. 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 Slightly. 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 Temporary. 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 Sixth is igloos. 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 Eskimos. 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 Caravan. CARVAN. Caravan. GYPSIES. Gypsies. Mountaineers. 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 These are the 10 words I have given you. I'll show you closely and read once again these spellings also. Comfortable. 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 PERMANENT. Permanent. SLOPING. Sloping. SLIGHTLY. Slightly. TEMPORARY. Temporary. Sixth is igloos. 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 Eskimos. ESKIMOS. Caravan. CARVAN. Caravan. GYPSIES. Gypsies. Mountaineers. MOUNTAINEERS. These are the 10 words I have given you. Please write it in your class workbook. Right? Yes, children. After the new words, we'll write fill in the blanks. These are the answers I have written here on the board. You too open your textbook and start writing in your textbook. I'll read out the first one. Only the answers I have written here on the board. This you can copy. The first fill in the blanks answer is heat, cold, rain. That means Page number 187. Fill in the blanks. Exercise 1. A house protects us from heat, cold, rain. Second is, we feel safe and comfortable in our house. Second, fill in the blanks, answer is house. Third, we find dash houses in towns. What type of houses do we find in towns? That is Pakka. P-U-C-C-A. Pakka. We find Pakka houses in towns. Fourth is, a permanent house can be a Pakka or Kacha house. First is Pakka, you have to write, and second is Kacha. P-U-C-C-A. Pakka. K-U-T-C-H-A. Kacha. Then turn the page. Fifth, in plains and dry areas, people build houses with flat roofs. F-L-A-T, flat. Fifth, fill in the blanks. Then sixth is, dash houses are built in areas with heavy rains due to flood. That is stilt. Stilt house I drew, you know. S-T-I-L-T. Stilt houses are built in areas with heavy rains due to floods. Then seventh is, dash live in igloos. Eskimos. E-S-K-I-M-O-S. Eskimos. Then eighth is, houses that can be folded and carried from place to place are called tents. T-E-N-T-S. Now I'll show you in the textbook also. Slowly you can write. You have lot of time to write. I'll show you here also in the textbook. Page number 187. A house protects us from heat, cold, rain and wind. We feel safe and comfortable in our house. Third is, we find Pakka houses in towns. Fourth is, permanent house can be a Pakka house or Kacha house. Now turn the page. In plains and dry areas, people build houses with flat roofs. Sixth is stilt. S-T-I-L-T. Stilt houses are built in areas with heavy rains due to floods. Then seventh is Eskimos. E-S-K-I-M-O-S. Live in igloos. Eighth is houses that can be folded and carried from place to place are called tents. T-E-N-T-S. Tents. These are the 8 fill in the blanks along with the answers we read and written also. You can write in the class workbook also. I want you to write. Then coming to this match the following. Match the following also will do it. We are going a little bit fast. I'll write the answers on the board. Yes, children. Now we'll do the second exercise, that is match the following. I'll show you in the textbook only. Please see. Pakka house, caravan, houseboat, tents and igloos made of ice, floats on water, made of caravans, made of bricks and cement, house on wheels. So you can do it. Pakka house made of bricks and cement. Caravan, house on wheels. Houseboat, floats on water. Tents made of canvas. Igloos made of ice. That is 5, 3, 4, 1, 2 are the answers. You can give the numbers. Here I have given the numbers. So you too give the numbers. It will be very easy for you to write the answers also. Or you can join with the lines like this. Now one more third exercise, children. You can do it by yourself because name the types of do's. This you can do it by yourself. In our next class, we'll write the question answers. Thank you.